Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have something exciting for you, and I'm going to be talking about theme pages and how you can grow them, and if they're really dead in 2020 or like what's gonna happen to them in 2020 and the rest of 2019. So without further ado, let's just get started. So a curated page or a theme page is basically a Instagram page which you see posts a lot of content about a particular thing. Let's say travel curation pages or travel theme pages are pretty famous. If you can see, the biggest travel page is Beautiful Destinations. It has, I think, some millions of followers. I don't know, but it's definitely above 15 million, which is crazy. Then you have Earth Pics, which is also at like 15 to 18 million followers. And yeah, that's basically a curation page. And what a curation page does, or a theme page does, is that they take photos from creators all around the world and they post it on their feed. And the reason to curation page, why it works, is because you do not have to create content. You just can upload how many photos can whichever you want, and grow an Instagram page without having to create content yourself. You just have to go see which content is working and then post it on your theme page, and that's how you can go viral. You can get traffic, you can get and you can even monetize your Instagram by selling shout outs to other travel creators, by selling merch, by selling ebooks or something like that, like some kind of monetary affiliate stuff, or even your own stuff, or even shout outs. So yeah, that's what's a curation page called. If you are really interested on how to start the curation page, and let's say which strategies to use, all that stuff, I will link down a video down below by Bia Heza. He has created an amazing video on how to get followers as a curation or a theme page account owner. So yeah, it's basically a niche based theme page. So you basically have to post viral content in order to get the traction and all of that stuff, and it also helps in creating a community and selling stuff. But here are a few things which I want you to know before you go on, switch this video off and go and create a theme page. That's not how it's going to work. There are probably thousands and thousands and thousands of theme pages right now in 2019, and if you start with an intention to make money or grow to like 100k followers on this theme page, that's not gonna happen if you just go and just create a travel theme page. No, here are a few points which I want to tell you if you are considering to create a theme page of yourself, and if you are, what you should exactly do. So as you know, it is a niche based theme page. You have to dive deeper into a sub niche. So what really a sub niche is, I will link down a video somewhere over here, so you can see I've talked a lot about how to create a sub niche of your niche, through which you can grow 2x times. So basically, let's say if you are really into traveling, you can create a sub niche of only the photos about beaches, or only the photos about mountains, or only the photos about ice filled place, like a snowy place, you know what I'm saying. So if you post photos only about that, the chances are you will grow more faster. Let's say if you can even do something, like create a sub niche account for Mumbai or any city which you really love. Let's say if you really love Switzerland, that's a country, but like Lauterbrunnen, that's in a beautiful place. Then let's say if you really love New York, just create a page of that, and you can sell shout outs about New York restaurants. You can sell shout outs to New York based bloggers, New York based people who love to do New York based stuff, and you will earn money that way. So the first thing is, if you want to start a successful theme page in 2019, create a sub niche. That's really important. And the next thing is posting viral content. You just do not want to post the content which has like went viral, but also you need to test different kinds of content out. You're just not going to post the same photo of the Empire State Building which has been clicked a million times. No, you have to take something different. You need to do something different. You need to search a lot. Like let's say if you go and see a lot of travel bloggers taking the same photo by the Nusa Penida in Bali. You do not want to take the similar one. You need to take the one which is way different, way different than all of the 1,000 images. That's how your feed theme page will pop up. So yeah, that's the thing on how you can go viral. And then talking about a community, that's the most important thing ever. You have to talk and maintain a community so that you can sell to them, or like create a community and link your affiliate stuff in some way. You also have to keep in consideration about the content which you're posting. You cannot post just anything. You have to be really strategic of the content which you're posting, making sure that it has proven to be viral, and also by the creator on the creator's profile, and also not if really if really people have seen that or not. Another thing which you can do is, let's say you have a huge travel niches such as travel, I don't know what else is a huge niche, football, soccer, games. You can create a sub niche of something which is not at all famous. Let's say you can create a sub niche for skateboarding. That's what Bia Heza did. And then you can create a sub niche for some really small thing and grow a page. So here's one example. What you can do is, literally, if you love jewelry, if you love like rings and bracelets and choker necklaces, all that stuff, take photos from Pinterest, or take photos around, like create a theme page, post aesthetically pleasing photos of only jewelry. Like, you do not have to post, you do not need a fashion based theme page, because I said sub niche it down to jewelry page, post only about jewelry 3 times a day, talk about it, talk different types of jewelry is available, which retail is providing for how much price. That Shein is providing for these much rupees, Zara is providing for these much rupees, this is providing for these much rupees, and H&M is providing for these much rupees. Talk about it. Once your community knows that you love and you're obsessed with jewelry, they will come to know that, oh, she's she loves jewelry. If someone be like, oh, okay, I want to buy this, then your page will come into the mind of that person. You know what I mean? I hope you're getting what I'm saying. So this way you will build an authority. You will only post the content which is viral, which is aesthetically pleasing, which stands out, and not just an overall whole thing, but just a very small part of a huge niche. And then you can maybe even sell affiliates of the jewelry. You can even sell your own jewelry. You can even partner up with other niche pages and do like a jewelry giveaway to get more followers. You can sell shout outs to jewelry owner jewelry pages. So get the point of how this all works. So that's how you can create a curated niche based theme page in 2019 and in 2020, and how you can really profit off of it. Because if you do the normal tactics of you just posting photos randomly and just creating it travel based or like a fashion based or anything bland like an overview of a theme page, that's not gonna work. You have to go 2-3 layers deep within the niche and then start posting, because that's how you can actually grow. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to check the description box down below. I've linked down all the amazing videos. Also, if you want me to help you personally in how you can grow your Instagram and all that stuff, then I have a link down below. Click the first link in the description, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.